Hi, in this video we will be learning how to make butter from the Little House Cookbook.
In Farmer Boy, we learned that the Wilders had a butter business and they sold it for 50 cents, which means it was really good butter. And so the butter recipe is in this recipe book and we're going to be making that butter.
Today, your materials are going to be carrots, milk. If you want your butter to be yellow, you want to use the carrots. Heavy whipping cream, a 2-quart container with a really tight lid.
Grater, a strainer, a wooden spoon, and some molds to make your butter into like shapes. If you don't have any molds, you can just use like a bowl or something. You're also going to need some salt to make your butter taste better. You're going to start by grating your carrots. We did not have one medium carrot, so we used 6 baby carrots.
Now we're going to add our 1/4 cup of milk and our carrots into our saucepan. And we're just going to warm it up. To boil up. Not boil, but like. Don't boil the milk because you're just warming it up. Now our milk is tinted orange. So we're going to pour it into the strainer in this bowl so we don't get a hunk of carrot in our butter because that's gross.
Yeah, we don't want carroty butter. That's like,
ew.
So,
now we're going to add our 3 cups of cream into our 2-quart container with a tight lid.
and then we're going to add our orange.
And to add an extra layer of tightness, we're going to take some plastic wrap. And now we're going to add our plastic on top. We're going to start by shaking it for 1 minute, and then we're going to take off the lid to release the gases. Let's release the disgusting gas. Now we're going to shake it for 15 minutes or until it forms a thick mush. You know when you're done shaking your butter when there's clumpies on top and buttermilk in the bottom. Now we need to strain it. You also want to save your buttermilk because you can drink it or you can use it for your baking, like biscuits and pancakes and other food.
It's really important for the flavor of your butter to get all the buttermilk off, because then it might be gross. So we're gonna wash the butter. We're gonna dump the butter into the bowl and cover it in cold water.
It has to be cold water because you don't want your butter to melt. We're gonna move to the sink for the next part. Now we're gonna wash the butter until the water goes clear, like this. Now put it back in the bowl. And if you stir it, it'll help get out all the buttermilk. And now that our water is clear, we're gonna put it in the strainer. And we're gonna squeeze out all the excess water.
Dry out the bowl and put the butter back in, and then we're gonna add in the salt.
Now we're gonna put in a pinch of salt, or 3 shakes. Now we're gonna mix it up. And then when we're done mixing it, we're gonna try it and see if it needs more salt.
Now it's time to put your butter into a bowl. You can use like a gold butter thingy or a bowl or something, but we're using these molds. And when you put your butter in your mold or your container, then you're gonna need to press down because you don't want weird bubbles in your butter. We've got intricate patterns on these molds, so in order to take them out cleanly, we're going to stick it in the freezers, like the fridge.
Stick our Han Solo ice cubes out. We could have made Han Solo. And now we can take our butter out of our molds, now that it has sat in the freezer for half an hour.
This is our finished butter, and then we're gonna eat it. Best enjoyed on homemade bread, because it's homemade butter.